not.
There's an easy way to leave your family with money to help with expenses. It's guaranteed acceptance whole life insurance from Colonial Penn. It's easy because you can't be turned down regardless of your health. If you're between the ages of 50 and 85, in most states your acceptance is guaranteed. You don't have to answer a single health question or take a physical exam. Applying is simple and quick. And you can choose the coverage that fits your budget. Options start at $9.95 a
This
month
here
and
is a pterosaur
$25 a day.
named
Once your
Alanqa.
underwritten rate is locked in for life, call for more information and the simple form you need.
Yeah, I know. Pterosaurs come in different probabilities. They go by many names. Quetzalcoatlus, Ornithochirus, Tropinagathus. What can I say? Much like most birds tonight, we all have to spread our wings once in a while.
COPD, it's harder on the folks around you, I think. It affects my wife terribly. And she smoked, and she quit.
How majestic.
And if you ask her why she quit, she'll say because
Out of all the
she makes me
pterosaurs,
take care of me.
this one reminds me of Sparrowbod. Amazing, huh? Fennekin as well. They would love this one. They would seriously love this one.
The best jeans every day to work. I don't like jeans. Here, buddy. Here you go. Okay.
Alright,
Good?
perfect. And that's all, folks. Good night.